Hey everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you, first of all I'll tell you what ambient mode is on YouTube, and I'll tell you also how you can enable it. So if you heard of it and you like to see how it looks good from here, show you or you'll increase the experience, or right, as you can see right now, if I enable full right now, you're watching the video, but it's more immersive. I think YouTube did an excellent job, in my opinion. Now we have, with this feature, now we can watch more videos on YouTube and spend more time on this platform. The experience is more real because you can see right now you have those colors in the video are reflecting on really close to the app, which gives us something different, right? Something different from other platforms. So what YouTube is trying to do is to be different, they're trying to be unique in their way, and they're doing an amazing job. Like, you can't really how amazing YouTube is. Like, it's also, they removed the sort of like the oldest you watch, you check. Let's, for instance, actually let me show you, there's no way to start old, if you'd like to see the oldest video from a YouTube channel. Guess what? You can't do it. So now YouTube is giving us a more experience, like it's trying to enhance our experience on their platform. So that's just truly respectful, unbelievable, respectfully and admirably, truly dedicated way of showing their users how much they love us. That's amazing. Now you just, like, if you want to see my oldest videos, you just have to scroll. But anyways, now let me show you how you enable. I think I already did that, but first of all, you need to have the dark mode enabled, right? You need to have the dark mode enabled, and tap on your profile, and now go to settings. If you use the light mode, and here please go to general, right over there, and here in general choose appearance, and here in appearance, if you have selected light, please select dark, and here, and now when you go to a video, tap on the three dots there, or not three dots, but and here ambient mode, and it's on. Okay, ambient mode, and ambient mode is off, ambient mode is on. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Take care. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.